Hello everyone, welcome back to the Talker video. This one I'm just going to be going over a quick one of the remote start that I put in this a few months back. So when I got this car, it had an old remote start that I lost the keys for, and it was old. It was probably from the 2000s, so like 2008, 2010, or to 2012. And it just didn't work. I couldn't get it to work, and I tried getting parts to get it to work and it just didn't work. So eventually I just decided, well, I'll get it removed and I'll get another aftermarket one put in, and that's what I did. This one is pretty good. I do like remote starts in the winter. It gets the car up, heated up well, and gets oil circulating. This lasts for 15 minutes. It's just a push button one, but also as unlock, lock, and the remote start function itself. A question I ask myself is, at what point is a car no longer factory? You know, just like, what do you have to do? Everyone has their own little opinions. To some, you can't even add chrome fenders and it's no longer factory. To some, it's just engines. You know, what engine modifications can you do that it won't be factory anymore? So it's just all that. It's just a personal opinion. And to turn this on, you're gonna put the key in, go to accessory, put it front of the brake, and then switch it to run. And the engine still runs, but everything reboots from the on my climate control, the radio, heated seats, instrument cluster, all of it restarts. Let's go ahead and get our seatbelts on since we're heading off to work right now. But yeah, that's pretty much of this remote start. I do like it. I think I paid $365 for it, and the modules where the old one was. It's down there somewhere. There's a box that houses all the electrical components, and it turns out after 15 minutes, and I can hold it again to deactivate it or turn it off. And that is this for this video. Thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys.